All right, Tarit, here's your 427 FE engine with the description of stone lace, got some brass cascade, Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, custom ground solid roller, got the Canton Racing sump oil pan, marked awnings on the front, make sure the alternator charges. Go in there and make a run, see what she does, stay tuned. Okie doke, historic 505, 6 horsepower 461, so everything's good. Running about 15 or 20, so go in there now, pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple of things here. See your end to find something that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card, it is full of right information. And the crate will be the same spec sheet. I highly recommend reading all that. Have a great day.